Bangladesh's Supreme Court on Wednesday upheld the death penalty of Jamaat-e-Islami leader Ali Ehsan Muhammad Mujahid and Bangladesh Nationalist Party leader Salahuddin Qadir Chaudhry. The duo was sentenced to death for committing war crimes during the country's liberation war in 1971.
Bangladesh Supreme Court on Wednesday rejected final appeals of Ali Ehsan Muhammad Mujahid and Salahuddin Qadir Chaudhry against death sentences. The bench delivered both the rulings together.
In both the cases, the review has been rejected. Mr. Mujahid's the conviction stayed, and also the Salahuddin Qadir Chaudhry's conviction stayed. That means their death penalty is restored by the appellate division even under the review. Therefore, they are going to face the death penalty very soon.
The duo is now left with the last option of seeking presidential clemency, said counsel of the convicts. Mujahid, who was the chief of infamous Al-Badr force during the freedom struggle of 1971, was sentenced to death for planning and instigating the killing of intellectuals and professionals. In July 2013, the International Crimes Tribunal had sentenced the 67-year-old to death, jailed him for life and sentenced him to 5 years in prison in 5 separate charges. The decision was later upheld by the Supreme Court of Bangladesh. Salahuddin Qadir Chaudhry was a former minister in the Khaleda Zia cabinet. He was sentenced to death for committing genocide during the liberation war of 1971. The Supreme Court rulings could spark protests by their supporters. Bangladesh, which was earlier known as East Pakistan, emerged as an independent country in 1971 after fighting a 9-month-long civil war. The Pakistan Army and its local collaborators like the Jamaat had unleashed large-scale violence during the period, resulting in the death of some 3 million people.